want to roll these out a little bit larger than 1/8 of an inch. The rod's about 1/8 of an inch. The noodle is a little bit thicker than the rod. I like to slice the ropes about 3 to 4 inches. You see how I just kind of stack them together? So I always like to tap the rod right in the flour so the noodle isn't able to stick. And then I press the rod right on the end of the noodle that's leaving it at about a 45-degree angle. And then I slowly start rolling the rod towards me. It almost starts to make a semicircle around. You see how the angle is? You're rolling the rod almost in a circle while the noodle is at a 45-degree angle. You press the rod right in the end of the noodle, and then with light pressure, just kind of roll it one after the other towards you. And then afterwards, it'll slide right off. See how it slides right off of the rod with a little bit of flour on it?